Hello there, Royal Gordon community. We are going to be watching Thomas Talks recent video. Thomas and Friends talking Thomas and Bruno train set review. Let's watch it, shall we?
Person who did this literally didn't care. I swear, Mattel was like, there's this kid, right? I saw vaping in a bathroom.
He was in the Homestead bathroom.
He's perfect for this.
They went in there, they recorded all the lines in one take.
Warning! Parental discretion is advised.
Welcome back to another Thomas Talk. Today we have the Talking Thomas and Brake Car Bruno train set. A lovely name, not a mouthful. And honestly, this is a really good talking set.
Could be better.
It could be better, but also for $30, it's not that bad. Because it's like a nice basic loop, honestly. It's like a nice little bridge. Getting into our engines here, I think the worst part about these two is the awful not in scale flatbed that's like half the size of the engines. Because it's totally for Trackmaster 2. Thomas himself, obviously it's all engines go, so like proportion. The only thing is the face. You can look at it and not throw up. All the other, I'll just put them at the side of the screen. All of them are so.
Justin, I don't think you noticed, but I'm just saying. What about the Thomas that came in the Whiff and Kana wave of talking engines?
Bad for no reason at all. So I'm just happy to have one that isn't horrible. And I guess I like the boiler pipes. It's a nice, like, rolling stock. Why is it on a flatbed not tied down in any way? All engines go.
It doesn't need to be.
Alright, I'll let...
Bruno, you literally just saw the best part.
Well, Bruno is only exclusive to this set.
He is rolling stock. He does not move on his own. Best part of the entire thing. It is just a normal Bruno. I don't think they changed anything.
No, I don't think they...
Well, the only thing that they changed is just the face and give it a talking feature.
had to, honestly. I mean, other than you can put the batteries in there. That's about all they changed. And the talking button.
But...
Oh, the light glows.
Hi, I'm Bruno, the brake car.
Oh my god.
Hey there, Bruno!
Oh, hello, Thomas.
Oh, hello, Thomas. Dude, the person who did this literally didn't care. I swear, Mattel was like, there's this kid, right? I saw vaping in a bathroom.
He was in the Homestead bathroom.
He's perfect for this.
They went in there, they recorded all the lines in one
Not to be rude, but I don't think that's true.
take. They did not even take a second take. You can even hear like an echo to his voice, like they're in a
Give
bathroom.
me a break. Get it? Because I'm a brake car. Hi, Thomas.
Hi, Bruno!
And I mean, Thomas has the same garbage season.
A heavy delivery. I need Bruno to stay on track.
Oh yeah, I forgot that some of Thomas's lines when talking to Bruno talks to him in like the third person, or talks like he's not there, which is weird. But I mean, Bruno looks nice.
Yeah, kind of. I mean, it's Bruno. It doesn't look that good.
I mean, he's the...
Well, after all, it is Bruno's first talking model and his third motorized release.
best looking thing of all. Go.
Yeah, but I hate all that.
Facts. Another thing that I find odd is the sign you get for this set. It's a picture of the island, and it's the All Engines Go map, but it has all the characters at most worst spots ever. So Diesel's up in,
What's wrong with Percy being at Tidmouth Sheds? Kana being at a lighthouse. Thomas being whoever Thomas is at.
I don't even know, a town. Percy's at Tidmouth. Kana's at a random lighthouse. Also, Sodor... Wait, Sodor's not connected to Britain at all. There's...
It's not supposed to be. It's so...
No, like, look. Like, right there. Look how much water there is now.
Isn't there supposed to be a bridge?
Yeah, and it's supposed to be, like, a super... It's, like, the smallest bridge ever, because the land's, like, really close. So that map sucks. Let's get into the set, because honestly,
The set's not bad.
the set's actually kind of good. Of course, it said that.
On schedule.
On
So you get a.
schedule.
So I like the bridge, honestly. You get the nice bridge in this. Every time with these sets, oh my goodness. You can either go straight or you can do this little like hill curve here.
And this actually makes sense.
Yeah.
Like you can actually
It's a buffer. It's supposed to make sense.
connect the set under the bridge.
And it actually makes sense to have like a buffer there, because normally the buffer's just off to the side. And that one actually like, how? I caught that on camera. How did you fall? Okay.
Wow.
This is such a great.
Really wants to fall.
Okay.
Hello, Thomas. I'm right behind.
So other than Bruno's awful voice, something actually good about the toy is that Bruno can stop Thomas.
Keep us safe and on track.
No, you didn't.
Did Justin and Grant even notice the light flickering on Thomas and Bruno?
Yeah.
Lots.
Lots to do.
Like the generic lines. CGI used to like name locations, actual jobs. Like I'm headed to Henry's Tunnel to deliver the mail. And then
Don't forget to deliver Henry's mail to his tunnel.
this one's, what are you doing? Lots.
Lots to do.
That derails every freaking time. You know what I wish? This was like a turnaround, so you could like go both ways. But obviously, again, I don't know. Let's stop our Thomas here.
Overall, the set's not bad. I mean, see, here's the thing: is it used to be our set review videos where we would talk about things like the discoloration, the different colors, the stupidness.
We're so freaking used to this at this
We're
point.
so used to the orange bridge.
The orange, gray, dark blue with glitter bridge. The grass.
It doesn't look good.
Good old grass, which you can touch with your hands.
But we're saying it looks good because this is what I've seen for the last 2 years.
And also, compared to those other sets, this is probably like one of the best designed ones.
Yes, they should just get the coloring right.
All they gotta do is get the coloring right, and honestly, I feel like the sets are starting to become more like realistic. They're just losing the freaking colors.
What they should do, get the color right, and all you have to do to get the color right is make all the track right.
Like, honestly,
it looks so much
Trackmaster 2, it kind of sucked, but the track was one of the coolest parts about it.
Yeah, and stay together.
Mm-hmm.
So there's 2 things to make this set really good. First, change the color to gray. Second, get rid of all intents go.
Well, we can't. Sadly, that's not. Honestly, I 100% recommend this set. This is probably the best. If you want a talking Thomas, this is way better than just buying a $20 pack at Walmart. Pay an extra 10, you get Bruno, and you get a set.
I will never ever recommend All Intents Go or really
Cut to the
anything.
clips of him recommending all of it.
I will never
What clips?
recommend anything that's not Trackmaster 1.
Wow, that's just never gonna recommend Wooden Railway.
And even Trackmaster 1 is too expensive now. I don't know if I can recommend Thomas.
I mean, currently in the day and age, no, I wouldn't recommend hopping on the Thomas fandom anymore. Ain't worth it. I recommend.
The only thing I recommend is original, cheap Wooden Railway.
I don't know. Go join Tugs. That never got ruined. So. Go be a Tugs fan today.
Thomas has gone so far downhill.
Yeah, and I mean, I feel like honestly, this set is a step in the right direction.
Kind of.
I feel like we're.
Here's the problem:
I
it's
think
a step in the right direction, but it's only a half step in the right direction because every time they do something else, it's a full step in the wrong direction.
And I also think it's the price that also makes me really want to defend the set. We're not paying $70 like Canada. We're paying
$70, It's literally $76 and something cents now on Amazon.
$30.
And $30 is too much. It should be $15.
Did you say 15 or 50? I don't really know.
There's no way they'd make a profit with 50.
In 2019, they would have been able to.
Yeah, in 2019. It ain't 2019 anymore. Well,
They should figure it out.
they should. Nah, I'm just gonna let Thomas run a little bit as we end the video. Yeah, watch your speed as he.
Okay, that was basically the ending, so yeah, we'll see you in a minute. Just hold on.